right, Farah, if you were a primary school teacher, what reward system would you implement in the classroom?
Primary school, okay. So,
It could be university, you know.
okay.
Same thing.
All right, I'll use university as an example.
Okay.
Back in 2020, I have a chance of becoming a chancellor or rector of a university when I was 31-year-old, and I learned something that what motivates a student. One is fear, and second is hope. First, the fear is I always tell, we always have this conversation with my students about unemployment, right? In every part of my university, I put a sign about the unemployment rate, how the university is irrelevant. So I tell them that, hey, even though you pay the tuition, even though we teach you, we will not make you secure a job if we don't do anything necessary to secure a job. So we tell them all this every single day that you can be unemployed on if you just do what we teach you to do. Second, we give them hope. So we give them hope by basically make a professional come to our university and tell them about how can they make it. We invited CEOs, we invited the leadership person of companies to teach them how do they make it. So students have the role model of what they want to become and what they can become. And the reward is that we don't really do punishment, but the reward system is that if you do great at the school with let's say you get a great GPA and something like that, then we will help you to intern with that person. So you compete for one or two spots, but that one or two spot is actually what everybody is aiming for, which is interning and doing a right mentorship right with the great professional. So that's how we do it.